Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the OnePlus 15, the next big flagship from OnePlus, and when it's launching in China and the US. First off, yes, OnePlus is skipping the 14 and going straight to OnePlus 15. In China, the phone is expected to launch this October 2025, with a global and US release likely following in early 2026, probably January. Now, what's new? Leaks show a fresh, square camera design that looks a lot like the iPhone Pro, with triple lenses including a powerful periscope zoom. OnePlus is reportedly dropping Hasselblad and bringing in its own Detail Max imaging engine for sharper photos. The display is rumored to be a 6.7-inch flat AMOLED with a super smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and scrolling. Under the hood, we're likely getting the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Battery life also looks insane. Leaks point to a massive 7,000 milliamp hour battery with up to 120-watt fast charging. And color options may include Absolute Black, Mist Purple, and Dune. Price hasn't been confirmed yet, but expect something around $899 and up in the US. So, should you wait? If you want next-level performance, longer battery life, and a slick new design, the OnePlus 15 might just be worth holding out for. That's all we know so far. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What feature are you most excited about? The massive battery, the display, or those cameras? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.